I am MindBlown Chef, and this is Cooking Made Simple. Now, today's recipe, we're gonna make a tri-tip. I'm always asked how to make a good tri-tip. Not only am I gonna show you how to make tri-tip, but I'm also gonna show you how to do it in about 30 minutes. Instead of smoking it for 2 to 4 hours, I can still get the same flavor in 30 minutes. Check this out. So I got my prime cut right here. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna salt and pepper both sides generously. Okay, so our meat is seasoned and it's ready to go. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go prepare the barbecue grill now. So our charcoal is almost ready. So here's the trick. I'm gonna take the wood chunks, the smoking wood chunks, I'm gonna place them into the charcoal. So what's gonna happen is that smoky flavor is still gonna infuse with the meat, and at the same time it's cooking. Therefore, I don't have to smoke this for 2 to 4 hours. I can get it all done in 30 minutes and still have great product at the end. Okay, outside, throwing these on. Okay, our meat is on the grill. We're gonna set our timer for 20 minutes and then we're gonna check it. I think it's probably gonna go for about 30 minutes because I'm looking for more of a medium to medium rare. Our meat is off the grill. We cooked it for about 30 minutes. So whenever you cut meat, you always want to cut against the grain. What I mean by that, if you look real close right here, you'll see these fibers. So the tri-tip actually runs this way, and then when you start getting down to this section, it actually starts to turn and the grains start to run that way. So when I'm cutting this, I want to go against the grain here, and then I'm gonna have to turn this and cut this way. What that does is it actually makes the meat more tender. When you're chewing it in your mouth, it's not so chewy, giving you the impression that it's a tender piece of meat. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and put some ghee on this. This is basically clarified butter. Just gonna put that right on top and let it melt down. Cool. The key to this, do not cut this meat for 15 minutes. You wanna keep all those juices inside. So right now what's happening is the protein is cooling and it's gonna suck all the juices back in. If you cut it too early, all those beautiful juices are gonna come out all over your cutting board. Flavorless and dry meat is what you'll be left with. So let it rest for 15 minutes. All right, this tri-tip is ready to slice. Hey, for a sauce, a good sauce for this, a hollandaise. If you haven't seen my hollandaise video, check it out. It would go so perfect with this meat. Here we go, let's slice this thing. Be sure to check out my channel, guys. I have a lot of how-to videos, so all your questions should be answered. That tri-tip right there, sexy. Cut it, cut it, cut it.
Ridiculous.
Ridiculous. Not a mess. Gotta season high, bro. Always season high. You want me to wipe up?
Yeah.
Barbecue grill? It sounded weird, huh? Well, hurry up! Fucking. This is why you have to do voiceover for outside shots. Oh, was that good or what? Tell me when.
What do you mean?
See, that's when I get excited.